It's November, which means it's definitely not too early to start prepping your Christmas food. But if your freezer looks like this, then you might not want to start your Christmas food prep until you've watched this video, because I'm going to show you 4 ways you can save space in your freezer, regardless of whether you have a chest freezer or an upright one like me. Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing my own freezer clear out, and this is what I'm working with today. Now, it's not too bad, but I definitely need to make some room. Okay, so just a side note for when you're doing your own freezer clear out. Now, for the time it's going to take me to empty all of this and clear it out, I'm not too worried about most of the food, but there are certain things that will defrost really quickly, and I mean really quickly, like these red wine ice cubes. If you've got any baby purees and ice creams, they're always renowned for defrosting the quickest. So for those few bits, I'm going to pack this cool bag. It's the best one I've got, but I'm going to put some ice packs in here, and I'm going to put the stuff that will defrost really quickly in here so that they stay frozen. And then the rest can just stay on the side. Okay, so let's get into the real reason you're here, how to make some extra room in your freezer, especially ahead of Christmas. So the first thing is to make sure your freezer is defrosted. Now, I've seen some pretty iced up freezers in my job when I'm out inspecting restaurants, and blocks of ice just take up lots of room and stop your freezer working efficiently. So once you've cleared your freezer, make sure you give it a clean and get rid of any ice buildup. Ditch cardboard boxes or ditch packaging. This little trick can save you so much space, especially if you need it, and you can pop items into a freezer bag instead, labeled with the information you need, like best before dates, cooking instructions, etc. Or you could use something like this tray. So in here, this is kind of like my ice cream tray. So in it, I've got rid of all the packaging of all the different ice creams that we've got in here, and just keep them all loose in here. Much easier to see what you've got, and we haven't got 4 or 5 different cardboard boxes laying around half full with 1 or 2 ice creams inside. And not only does it work with boxes, but I also have a couple of big serving lasagnas in my freezer. Now, I don't actually like keeping glass in my freezer, so once it's frozen solid, I'll just transfer it out, wrap it in some baking paper, and then wrap it again in cling film, and that is then so much easier to store as a block rather than keeping it in the dish, and then it also removes the risk of the glass breaking. Now, the third one is freezing food flat. Honestly, once you start, freezing food flat will become a game changer. Would you believe me that on this shelf there were 17 meals ready to cook? And not only that, when you freeze foods flat, they are so much quicker to defrost. In fact, some nights, if we're not fancying what we want for dinner, we're edging towards a takeaway, I'll often grab something like this. So this is a coconut and squash curry. I can grab something like this, run it under cold water. Within 10 minutes, I can be cooking it. And the fourth way is to organize your freezer. So keep everything similar together. I mean, aside from the fact that nobody wants raw meat on top of their breakfast muffins, organizing your freezer will make it easier to see what you have on a weekly basis, meaning you're more likely to actually use the food you've frozen, meaning you've got a quicker turnaround for the food in there, which is not only better for the quality of the food, but it also means you're not going to keep just adding to everything you've already got, which will help keep your stock at a level you can maintain it. Okay, so now it's back to sorting my own freezer. I'd already emptied it and given it a clean out, so now it's time to restock it using the 4 tips that I spoke about. Okay, so now I'm finished. Here is the end result. And if you have a chest freezer, then you can still follow all of the same tips I've mentioned in this video, but when it comes to organizing, you can stack wire baskets above clear plastic ones to create levels, and make sure you leave the center clear so you can easily move the top baskets and reach what's in the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, where you'll find lots of content ultimately helping you save money on food while also making mealtimes and meal prep easier. And in the description below, I've linked where you can find all of the make ahead recipes I'm going to be prepping on my channel for Christmas, which includes everything from the usuals like gravy to roast potatoes, party food, easy Christmas morning breakfast, to even a freezable cheesecake.